On the day of the spacewalks, I remember I was over the hatch and they said to open the hatch, and so I opened it up and it was daytime. And the only thing I could look at was straight down at the Earth. And for 10 minutes, I just watched the Earth going by below me, and the only thing separating it was just my visor. And it was really incredible. And then we exited. They said go ahead and exit the space station. And I remember that was the first time I really got the sensation that I was being pulled by gravity. I was close to Earth, and I was very reliant on physics at that moment because I was holding on to the space station with one hand and my feet were dangling. I remember, not just through my visor, but looking down and you just see feet and then Earth, and you're holding on to the space station, and I mean, it was just incredible. Everything looked so large. But again, the most significant realization to me was looking out and realizing not how far I was from Earth, but how close I was to Earth and how connected I was to Earth, and how, we on the space station plus everybody on Earth and this planet is actually so small compared to this vastness of outer space. We have a small amount of gravity that keeps us in orbit around the Earth. And I was keenly aware that Earth was holding on to us. We were attached to Earth. What was amazing to me was looking the other direction and looking out into deep space, and it was infinite. And I realized, as I had one hand on the side of space station and we were both orbiting Earth, I felt I was very connected to Earth, like it was mine. There was some ownership there, and not my hometown or my city or what I was familiar with, but the entire Earth. I felt an ownership and a kindred spirit with every part of it. You do feel this closeness to every human on Earth. You have this really distinct recognition that every single person you will ever meet, you have more in common with than you do different, no matter what. Having been part of a program that takes so many people working together and doing the right thing, and you go, wow, look what we can do when we focus on that majority of us that are alike, that have a common dream. No matter where we grow up, everybody looks up at the sky and says, what else is out there?